Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making a UK server. This is not my main, but I haven't made a UK server yet, so my first video is going to be making one. And I'm going to be showing you how I make my new ducks. I used to always go for, I used to go for like white ones, but then I changed my style. Like, it's ones that everyone normally uses, but I changed it a little bit. It's not newbie though, so I use okay, here it is. But there you go, guys. Sorry. So I always use this skin, but I'm not gonna use this skin because it's UK and I'm in the UK and everyone is that tan in the UK. This one's nice. I like that one. For face features, I'm gonna get rid of that. Can I do that? Yeah, I can. See the face. So I go for this nose because it's like it goes with a lot of outfit. These lips, because when you like smile, it looks like those VIP lips sometimes. So yeah, I'm just gonna be making the icon. I'm not gonna be going on it, by the way. Then the eyes are gonna be brown, like mine. My eyes are brown. Sorry, I just gave away some information about me, but I always get confused on what I had to do on this page. I wanna go like this, but I don't want it to be dirty blonde. I want it to be like. No, no. I want this hair. And I'm gonna do that in blonde because I kind of like that. Top. This one's really pretty. There you go. Yeah, that looks nice. Like a dark red will be nice. Pants. In the UK, because I'm from the UK, but my main is in America. Sorry, guys. Just gonna do some ripped jeans. Gonna make them white. In the UK, we call them like trousers or jeans. I don't call them pants though, because I like America. Then I think I might want to choose these shoes. I always like to choose these shoes in white, because I reuse them. Okay. What should the username be? XOX. It should be XOX. Zara. XOX. Okay. Then we're gonna do it. XOX. No, not the exact same as my main. XOX. Zara. XOX. What? Let me see if my main. But I'm gonna put instead of sorry, I'm just gonna put 0 instead because that's what I think. Okay. This is my count. Okay. So that's what it's gonna be. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go on this account if you're in UK. I'm gonna give everyone an opportunity. Okay. With it, and then I'll just go on my American server to show you guys it, so then you can add that one as well. Oh yeah, this is what I got. Just let me just wait for this to load. Okay, let's just do this real quick first. I don't know if I will be getting VIP on this. Maybe that way there. Oh, yeah, okay, so this is my UK. Okay, is my American one not done yet? Because if it's not, that's just gonna be so annoying. Okay, I can hear something. Wait, stop. No. Okay, so this is my account. It's VIP, streaming with my UK. I was 16. I'm gonna be doing a Meltdown on this channel. So please and stuff. Just for that. And then I'll show you the messages that I wanted to show you guys. So hold on. PS, please send direct items because I got plain outfit right now. There's nothing exciting about this outfit. Okay guys, before I end the video, I just need to show you these tests. I don't know if this is my friend or not. Don't go hating on this person, by the way. Okay. Okay, it's here. So it's Pony Lover 1012. That is her backup account that she made to annoy me on. By the way, I love it. See. Anyway, I'm gonna have to end this here. I'll show you it in the next video. Bye, guys!